Hello, my friends. How are you? I hope you're doing well. So, I am going to talk today about infinitives and infinitive phrases. So, it's a bit different. Not really really different, but you're gonna find it easy. And we have examples here that you can understand and how you can see know what is the difference between, let's say, an infinitive, because infinitive is a verb form. I'm gonna talk about it, just like you're gonna know what is the difference between a verb, noun, an adjective, and adverb. Okay, so first of all, that we have infinitives and infinitive phrases. Let's read the first 2 lines and a half and see what does that mean. An infinitive is a verb form that is almost always preceded by the word to. So you're gonna find to, okay, before the verb. You're gonna see here we have an example: to dig, to see, to roam. Okay, and an infinitive can play several parts in a sentence. That's what I meant when I said you're gonna have to know what is the difference between an infinitive noun, like when it comes in as a noun or as an adjective or as an adverb. So, and it comes in several, or can play several parts in a sentence. It can be a noun, an adjective, or an adverb. And I'm sure that you are going to understand because we have examples about noun, adjective, and adverb. So you're going to understand, and also I'm going to upload a video, another YouTube video, so you can guys understand. So here, let's read the first one. My uncle likes to dig for fossils. So here we have my uncles like to dig. Here we have infinitive as noun. Okay, and he was the first person to see the ancient footprint. So to see, he was the first person with to see this. Here, the infinitive comes as an adjective. You can see it. And what was it like to roam the ancient earth? What was it like to roam the ancient earth? Here, infinitive as adverb. You have to know, sometimes you can get if it's noun or adjective or an adjective or an adverb by the meaning. You can understand the sentence, and I'm sure guys that you can understand, or you can underline infinitive as noun or infinitive as adjective or infinitive as adverb. Okay, and here just let's see the second thing. The word to is the sign or marker that begins an infinitive. As we said here, the infinitive is a verb form that is almost always preceded by the word to. Okay, so but do not confuse the infinitive marker to with the preposition to. So here, just remember, an infinitive to is always followed by a verb. So if you're gonna see like this is infinitive or a preposition, you have to just notice that infinitive to the word to, like you're gonna see a verb after to, so this is an infinitive. If it's not a verb, that means this is not infinitive. Okay, here we have infinitive and preposition, and I'm sure that you're gonna understand by studying these examples. So they began to dig. So basically, dig here is a verb. So here, to dig, this is an infinitive. But please give this to her. Her here as a pronoun, and it's not a verb. So basically, this is not infinitive. This is a preposition. Okay, so this is like how you can guys distinguish or differentiate between infinitive or preposition. Okay, so just look after two. Is it a verb? If is it a verb, that means this is infinitive. If it is not a verb, that means this is a preposition. Okay, if it's a pronoun or etc. And here we're gonna talk about something a little bit different, not that different, just like not. You're gonna see an infinitive phrase. Okay, because our lesson for today is infinitives and infinitive phrases. So an infinitive phrase is made up of an infinitive and all of its modifiers and complement. Just like the lessons that we talked before, and we talk about it. We talked about these kind of lessons, that phrases we have all modifiers. Okay, and here we have basically example, so you can understand what does that mean. First, like participial phrases and gerund participial phrases and gerund phrases, infinitive phrases may contain one or more prepositional phrases. Let's see. She began to sketch the ancient footprint in the rock to become an archaeologist. Okay, takes long study and training. They asked him to write an article about his discovery. So, just like I want you first to know that she began to sketch the ancient footprint in the rock. This is an infinitive phrase because we have an infinitive and all its modifiers. Okay, here the same and here is the same, so you guys can understand more about this lesson. Also, I'm gonna upload a video about this so you can expand your horizons and you can study more and know more about infinitive and infinitives phrase. Okay, here sometimes infinitives sometimes appear without the word to. In these cases, the word to is understood. Let's see what does that mean. The student helped organize the notes. Helped to organize the notes. So here in this case, the word to is understood. Just like sometimes, but I like we can say not all the writers use let's say infinitive without the word to. Okay, not all the writers, but just like this is information, like if you read something or if you want to read something and you found it, and maybe in exercise number 9 you found something like this, and so you can know and answer the exercise. And here, to use infinitives and infinitive phrases properly, you don't have to worry about whether they are functioning as nouns, adjectives, or adverbs. You use them in everyday speech. So just do not worry about this, let's see, infinitive functions as a noun or as an adjective, or as in like functions as an adverb. So because I want you, the most important thing that you should know, that after to, what is it? Is it a verb or not? And the second like important thing that I want to talk about it is infinitive phrase or phrases that we have the infinitive and all its modifiers. So this is the most important thing in our, or things in our lesson for today. So I hope that you guys find it I don't know, enjoy this lesson, and I want you to answer exercise number 9. So again, to understand more, because here we have to a national park, to step, what else, to have, to survive, and here we have to cover, and here to stone, to endure. So I want you guys to understand, if after to is the verb, that means it's an infinitive Okay, and that's it for today. If you have any question, concern, or something you would like to ask, just go ahead and ask me. Please answer exercise number 9 and send it to me. uh, Thank you for watching. Have a great day.